Greetings, I'm Mr. Ngike, your trainer. Unit of competency, prepare and interpret technical drawing, paper 5 and 6. I hope you're well and that you have practiced on our activity for AutoCAD in lesson 1, 2. So our lesson 3 is on draw command. Our objectives are draw line, rectangle, polygon, ellipse. Then we activate ORTHO and OSNAP. So our objectives help us in achieving our education goals. So pay attention to each and every slide. We have this AutoCAD interface, and it's good I highlight that this is a lesson whereby we are learning in tandem what we do in the manual, but here we are we are practicing them on AutoCAD. So this is the interface, and we have a screenshot, and we have all these, the ones in yellow. For example, down here we have the status bar, then we have the command line. Hope I'm clear. Then you have the edit toolbar. Then you have the draw bar, draw toolbar. So when we talk about lines, polygons, we are going to focus on this side, the left. Hope I'm clear. When you're going to talk about the snap, the grid, the ortho, the polar, the OSNAP. So when you're talking about ortho, it's on this status bar. Draw command. We are going to, among the draw commands, we have line. Line help us to draw lines. Polygons help us to draw a polygon, a 5-sided, a 6-sided, a 7-sided. A rectangle help us to draw a rectangle. A circle is used to draw circle. Ellipse is used to draw ellipse. I have just sampled. There are so many, like all these, like a polyline here, all these. So I would say that even drawing arc, like this is an arc. So this is the line, polygon, rectangle, circle, and then the ellipse. I'm going to demonstrate this one at the end of this presentation. Line. So to draw lines, you need the ORTHO command. And ORTHO commands help us to draw horizontal and vertical line. You also need another command called OSNAP. So this is a demonstration of ORTHO. So ORTHO allows you to draw horizontal, straight horizontal and vertical line. If you want any other, we are going to look at other command like the polar. So the vertical is a line like this, perpendicular, vertically upward, and then this is the horizontal, or snap. Previously we talked about snap. Now we have added another term, OSNAP. OSNAP helps us to increase accuracy, ability, and performance, and for productivity. Why? The term object snap refers to the cursor ability to snap exactly to a specific point or place on an object. Which are these specific points? The end point, intersection point, the nearest point, the midpoint, the tangent, the center. Hope I'm clear. the polygon. So here in polygon, like here we have one that is circumscribed a circle, and here we have another one that whereby we have it inscribed in a circle. So inscribing is inside, it touches the sides touches, so we have it, these vertices touching the circle. Then in circumscribing, then we have the circle touching the sum of these, the sides, the circle touching the sides. So also in our manual, we are going to do inscribing and circumscribing. This one you can remember in your previous lessons. Rectangle command. So what is used to draw a rectangle? A rectangle has height and length. A circle. So here in circle, it's also good to know that when you're drawing a circle, remember that you're using a radius or a diameter. And this circle command is important when you are going to talk about tangency. And when you are going to draw circles, in tangency you talk about directly connected circles. So this one we are going to explore it also in our physical classes, in our manual classes. Ellipse. So an ellipse has a major axis and a minor axis. So that comes to the end of what you're supposed to do. So I would encourage you to practice on this activity in your AUTOCAD and watch the hands-on demonstration at the end of this video and also the previous ones. Remember, we have already in our lesson, we have 2 videos. One was on drawing, inserting a table, that is the title block. And also the second one was on dtext and text. So I'm also going to demonstrate the use of dtext. So kindly in our previous videos, kindly like them, share and subscribe. There is an assignment for you whereby you are going to list and explain the following AUTOCAD drawing commands: the line, the rectangle, circle, polyline, ortho, OSNAP, and polygons. Then also would like you to differentiate between a snap and OSNAP. Then also create an ellipse. What are the steps used to create an ellipse in AUTOCAD? That is the texture. The practical one, I expect you to open an AUTOCAD and create new drawings files. You're going to create a rectangle with dimensions 150 millimeters, a circle with a 25 millimeters at the center of the rectangle. So here is like you're performing some of these commands, like inscribing, an arc connecting two adjacent corners of the rectangle. So here you must learn about the arc, and also a polygon with a radius 20 millimeters inside the rectangle. That's all about inscribing. So submissions requirements. So you're going to say the drawing says AUTOCAD lesson 3 underscore assignment.dwg and submit it to my email. I'm going to share this one with the class governor. So kindly ask the class governor for my email and request him or her to ask for it. A Word or a PDF document answering the theoretical questions, or you can submit it a hard copy. Then the AUTOCAD drawing, WG containing the completed drawings. For any query on this, kindly reach me either via WhatsApp, either through the YouTube or the email, or using the class governor. So assessment criteria ensure that accuracy in using the specified AUTOCAD commands and proper annotations, labeling of the drawing, neatness and clarity of the final design. So let me perform some of these commands for our lesson. So we can zoom all, enter. Then we said we are going to activate ORTHO, click on ORTHO, and also OSNAP. It is on. Then for demonstration purposes, I click on model. I have that paper. Then I come to line. I specify the first and the last. Then I press enter. So, and then after finishing what you're doing, press enter. Then also press escape. Escape key. It's like tells you to, you are done with that. Then also, we are learning also on printing. So type dtext. Dtext is for helping us to print what we want. The height is the one 0.2, and then rotation angle is 0. So we have that. So just say this is line. Then click outside, then press escape. Go to the next one. You have a polygon. So specify the number of sides with, let me say 6, then I press enter. Then I can specify that. I inscribe. So I have that. Then also use dtext. So dtext. So I can say this is a polygon. Can click outside, escape. The other command is circle. So I can click circle. I can specify, for your case, you can specify the radius. So for my case, let me specify 0. So circle of radius, 0.5. So that's my circle. Also print, specify, then you have said the height is, so you can say this is a circle. Then radius is 0.5. Click outside, then escape. The other command that I was to demonstrate is the rectangle. So click rectangle, say specify first corner, specify other point, that one. Then we can say enter. You can say enter. So that's the rectangle that we have. So also dtext on the command line, dtext. Then specify the first one. Then height is 0.2. Enter. Then rotation is 0. So you can see this is rectangle. Then you have said press outside, then escape. Then the last one is an ellipse. So this is the icon for ellipse. So I can specify that. Then I move that way. No, that. So I come and also say dtext. Then I position it there. Then enter. Then I say this is an ellipse. Then I say press outside, then escape. Okay. I hope this is not much for you. And also remember, this is an introductory class. So kindly do this exercise as instructed. I have been your trainer, Mr. Ngige. As I have also instructed you earlier, kindly like this video, share, and also subscribe. Thank you very much. You're blessed.